Hey everyone, how's it going? So I have a Tesla Model Y Performance here. It's only a few months and the spoiler is falling apart. Well, not technically falling apart, but it's coming apart, detaching from the vehicle due to poor adhesive or insulation. Originally we saw about maybe a couple millimeters detachment, and then it got really bad after a couple weeks. As you can see there's at least 2.5 to 3 inch of detachment between the vehicle and the carbon fiber spoiler. So we ended up requesting a service appointment with Tesla. They wanted us to come into the service center at first, but after a couple exchange through the messenger, the Ranger or the mobile service was able to come out to replace this. And they actually had to remove this spoiler. They did not add any extra adhesive, try to push it back in. So the insulation was probably too far on the right. Surprisingly, we were shocked by the cost of the spoiler, $852.50 with $62 installation fee. We were shocked not because of the price, but because we're being charged for this after a few months. And it looks like a defect during the initial installation. Something to keep in mind that if you do get an invoice like this, do not click accept, but respond back to the message within your app and ask for clarification. We end up getting this spoiler replaced under warranty, so they did end up taking the old spoiler back and installing a new one. So we'll do a follow-up video after the mobile service is complete, but we just want to share this with the community in case if you have this issue. Make sure to make Tesla replace it under warranty. We'll make sure to have them install it correctly. Catch you all next time. Remember to subscribe. Check out promo links in the description as well.